Today is Sunday, August 10th, and it is Tuner Evo Day. Let's go. Unfortunately, my Miata broke down this week, so I am crammed with everything is just crammed back there. We are just gonna grab some coffee, some breakfast, and matcha for me because coffee is gross, and head to the show. Let's go. Alright, we have just arrived, and now we are waiting to go inside. I'm so nervous. Wow, so now we are here inside of Tuner Evo. Obviously you can see all the cars behind me, and I am setting up my tent. It's currently 10:52, literally just 10 minutes until the show starts, less than 10 minutes, and I gotta pick out everything that's sold online, so let's go do that. So this is what the whole booth looks like. I have a corner, which is pretty cool. You can see I'm in a corner. Sign that I printed. This is all of the keychains I sold online this week. Alright, so we are only just 20 minutes into the show, but I don't know how much I'm really gonna chat vlogging because it's super loud music. I don't think you guys could really hear me behind it, plus I'd get copyright. about 3 o'clock, just past 3 o'clock, and we've made some pretty good sales so far. I don't know if you can hear this again because the music's super loud, but just wanted to check in and let you guys know I've been making some pretty good sales so far. So we just have about 3 hours left of the show until we can close down and head home. Show. So far it has actually been pretty good. At the beginning I was nervous I wasn't going to get enough sales, but now I think we're doing pretty good. So I will check in with you guys once we are ready to pack up and ready to leave. Okay, so we have like 20 minutes left until the show closes. My only complaint, like I really don't like to complain so much, but I am a complainer, is that Tuner Evo, the music is really, really loud. And there's only like a few moments where it'll stop, but then they're talking, you know, like they're yelling into the microphone. So it's just super loud. It's very difficult to listen to customers. And I think like when I tell them the price or like their total when they check out, it's hard for them to hear and understand how much they're paying. Even though like they know from the price tag, I think it's still difficult for people to like hear and understand how much they're paying because it's just too loud. So then I feel like I'm yelling, like I'm literally yelling at people, but it's like I don't want to, you know what I mean? I am much more soft-spoken, so having to like yell over the music is kind of annoying, but what can you do? That is it. This is my entire store, all packed up and ready for the BMW. Well, that is it, guys. That is the end of Tuner Evo. We're all wrapped up and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to keep building your dream. See you next time.